Undeniably, decision-making process is one of the Herculean tasks for everyone. Although a lot of decision has been made by me, here I would like to talk about one of the decision which I made after completion of my secondary. It was about choosing the subject in the senior secondary. Actually, after completion of my secondary, I was totally confused where I should go. I should go with medical, non-medical, commerce, or arts. Different type of advices were given by my parents, my relatives, and my friends. Everyone told me about the lucrative profession after completion of study, but I was totally confused. I didn't know where I should go. Then after that, I took the guidance of my teacher. My teacher suggested me you should go with the subject where you have interest. Like if you have an interest in mathematics, physics and chemistry, you should go with a non-medical. If you have an interest in biology, you should go with medical. If you have an interest in banking, you should go with commerce, or whether you can choose arts if you have an interest in creativity things. So at that time, I have chosen the non-medical stream, which gave me a fruitful result because I had a keen interest. In the starting, it was not a my cup of tea to impress my parents, but with the help of understanding, I impressed my parents and I took the non-medical stream. And now recently, I have completed my senior secondary with the fly color just because of that decision. It was one of the indispensable part of my life because my whole life was dependent on it. If I took the wrong decision at that time, I can never get success in my life, because as everyone know that without interest and skillful things, it's not possible for a person to get the perfection in academic skills.